Hi, my name is Michael Shabani. I am with Shabani and Associates, PC attorneys here in Birmingham, Alabama. As you know, our office handles immigration matters. We are a global immigration law firm. In addition to immigration matters, we also have associates who handle personal injuries, criminal matters, domestic violence, employment laws, and we basically handle DUIs and other drug-related cases. I myself handle immigration matters before immigration court. I'm a member of American Immigration Lawyers Associations and also a member of Alabama Supreme Court. Please note that the purpose of this video is just to inform you that the Daca recipients basically they need to be really happy by hearing that as of July 17th, 2020, the United States Supreme Court ordered reinstatement of Daca. This means that we now file initial Daca applications and potentially advance parole for existing Daca holders. What advanced parole is, essentially you will get a travel document to exit the United States and come back safely. Moreover, I believe overall this is truly an exciting news and potentially life-changing to many new and existing dreamers. Now, I want you to be aware that not everybody is qualified for the travel document or advanced paroles. I highly recommend that you would reach out to an experienced immigration attorney and be sure that you are qualified for the advanced parole. Moreover, I'd like to go over a few qualifications that you must have in order to apply for the initial Daca filing. One, you must be under age 31 at the time when the law came into effect. That was back in June 15, 2012. You must be at least 15 years of age and not currently in removal proceedings. In addition, you must show and have proof of your entry before age 16. And you must also show that you continuously resided within the United States from June 15, 2007 through June 15, 2012. That's when the law came into effect. That 5-year window is very crucial. A lot of people, unfortunately, may not have proof of entry, although they came in, before age 16 and all that, but either they didn't go to school or they didn't have any records to show that they've been in the United States since June 15, 2007. Some of the documents that you may want to look for that would prove your entry in the United States on or before June 15, 2007 would be, obviously, if you have a transcript, if you have any kind of school records, if you have employment records, tax records, if you have photos and obviously affidavits and statements that you get from neighbors and friends, any documents, medical records, tag receipts, car receipts, anything that you bought, those would be helpful in getting your initial DACA filing. Also, you have to currently be without a status. If somebody's here as a student or tourist visa or any other status or valid status, they're not going to be qualified for this. You also must not have 3 or more misdemeanors. And remember, DUI is a serious misdemeanor. So if you have a DUI, you're not going to be qualified. You cannot be a convicted felon, obviously, for this purpose. And you have to either currently be in high school or has completed a GED or has honorably discharged from U.S. Armed Forces. The other thing is that I need for you to be aware of is the fact that unfortunately Mr. Trump's administration and the DHS, Department of Homeland Security, as of yesterday announced that they will reject the new DACA application in defiance of United States Supreme Court as well as the Maryland District Court, U.S. District Court. So I think that even though they said all of this, and certainly DHS can do reject your application, however, I believe there's going to be a serious confrontation, and DHS is going to find itself in a variety of lawsuits. So just be aware that if you file for your DACA, your new DACA applications, what's going to happen is that USCIS is going to return your fee, and they're not going to process your application. However, in the same memorandum that DHS put out yesterday, it says that the DACA renewals that they receive that's dated after July 29, 2020 will be reviewed on case by case, and those that they are approved will be renewed for only 1 year. So there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I would suggest that after discussing with a competent immigration attorney regarding your matter, you can decide, you and your attorney, that whether you should or you should not pursue the DACA application, especially for the new and initial filings. We thank you very much for paying attention to this matter. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email to info, I-N-F-O, @michaelshabani.com, or visit our website, which is www.michaelshabani.com, and we'll welcome any questions that you have, and we'll address that accordingly. Thank you again for being supportive of Shabani and Associates. Thank you.